guys, right now I am at National Mosque of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Masjid Negara. So right now we are inside the gallery of Negara Masjid. Inside you can see the prototype for the mosque. So guys, right now we are at National Mosque of Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. It's really beautiful from inside, outside. They have like fountains, like water area, cladded with mosaic. Inside is also super beautiful. So I just prayed also here. So if you're coming to Kuala Lumpur, it's must visit spot, guys. Let's explore the mosque together. So guys, right now I am at National Mosque of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Masjid Negara. You can see the structure. It's really beautiful. They have the fountains here. It's also amazing, beautiful. Then they have this minaret kind of structure also here, and the building which is behind this one, it's the tallest skyscraper in Southeast Asia. It's recently built. Just check out the view, how beautiful it is. Here they have a National Mosque Gallery. Masjid Negara, Malaysia. Masjid Negara was officially opened by His Majesty on 27th August 1965. So this mosque was inaugurated on 1965. So this is the main structure. Right now we are inside the gallery of Negara Masjid. Inside you can see the prototype for the mosque and the photos like which are history. So it's really amazing, must visit place if you're coming here. So here in the gallery, if you want like gold plated medallion, so you need to pay like around 30 Malaysian ringgit, and then you can have like, you know, such medallion which is 24 karat gold plated.